Hey guys, what's up? The Jay's here from Ragged Sneakers. So let's have a closer look and detailed review of this All City 11. Let's go! So let's start with the traction, guys, no? So gamit nilang technology dito, guys, is tough rubber, no? This is a hard rubber, so all good for indoor and outdoor, guys. And the performance neto, guys, is top tier. Sobrang solid ng performance neto, guys. Sobrang kapit. And even the dusty court, guys, solid pa rin. Ilang pahid lang. All good ka na for these shoes. And also, good for indoor and outdoor, guys. Walang problema because sobrang tigas yan, guys. Semi-translucent yung paint and yung black is parang solid. Ayan. For the upper materials naman, guys, gamit na ito is mesh material. So, breathable naman siya. And sa tongue part niya, parang jersey type, no? Pero medyo dito lang ata yung ano niya eh. Parang tingin ko may labasan or pasukan ng hangin, hindi yung ventilation niya. So, medyo disappointed lang ako, guys, dito sa tongue part niya, no, na medyo manipis yung ano niya, yung foam niya. So, ayun, disappointed lang ako kasi, di ba, solid na sana, no. And also dito, okay lang. Yun. Medyo okay lang yung foam niya dito. And for the insole, guys, color pink. Hindi natin tatanggalin kasi ordered to eh. So for the lacing system niya, guys, no, parang may flywire dito sa ano lang sa tawag diyan. Sa nakalimutan ko na. Sa forefoot mo, no, may parang flywire dito. And also ang lacing niya is kakaiba, very unique. Ayun. And also meron siyang heel counter dito, no. Yung cushioning niya is full length boom. Ayan. Naka-cage yung full length boom. Pero malambot naman. No? Malambot kasi yung TPU na gamit eh. No? And also for the support, no, meron siyang torsion plate dito. No? Parang unique na ayan. For stability. No? Tapos kakaiba din parang yung ano niya for side lateral mo. And also meron siyang plastic, no, infused plastic for the support also, no, mga ala Kyrie Irving ka dyan, no. Ayun. And for the design, guys, no, sobrang solid yung design, kakaiba, very unique yung design niya, walang ginaya, guys, no. Also dito, no, ayun, no, and the detail is solid. Pero minsan, guys, pag black kasi parang may glue stain dito, no, sa baba. Pero normal lang yan, guys, sa mga sa mga shoes. Ayun. And so far, guys, no, mga lining Anta or Chinese brand, wala pang masyadong or wala talagang fake pa. May fake man yan na gaya nitong design, pero heel yung or basta yung isa heel yung or basta iba yung pangalan, guys. So ingat kayo dyan, guys, ha. Dapat alam niyo yung details ng shoes para at least alam niyo na original yung shoes na binibili niyo. Alright, so for inquiries, guys, just comment down below. For more reviews, guys, please share, like, and follow our page, Ragged Sneakers and Tito J. And that's it for today, guys. Jay's out.